Welders and metalworkers built the backbone of our country. They forged the framework of our tallest buildings and cast the beams that span the strongest bridges. Through our American Graduate Getting to Work initiative, we discovered it is a trade taught well at K-Tech in northern Idaho, giving strength to the community.
K-Tech is the Kootenai Technical Education campus. Every one of our programs at K-Tech offers an industry certification. Our welding program, we focus on structural welding, so they're learning everything to become an AWS certified welder.
I think the best attribute is just the opportunity that the kids have.
Just getting the chance to get hands-on and figure out if you're good at it. I mean, that's the biggest part for me.
It keeps kids in school. More kids are graduating. They're doing better at their home high schools because they want to stay in these programs, which is huge.
And over the last 2 years, K-Tech has boasted a 99% positive placement rate. And of our 2-year completers, 100% of them have graduated from high school.
I mean, not a lot of 16-year-olds figure out what they're gonna do with their life, at that age, but I was lucky, and I couldn't have done it without K-Tech. I wouldn't have done it.
To explore a trade that sparks your passions, talk with your college and career counselor about career programs in your school district. And check out our Idaho Public Television American Graduate website to learn more.